Raspberry Pi 4 was welcomed by the Pi enthusiasts for the increased processing power. However, this came at a price. The Pi 4 can draw up to 3 amps, which means it has to dissipate 15 watts of power. The heat has to be moved away. From the simplest passive heatsink, through elaborate fan blowers, and even to an exotic water-cooled idea, many options are available. While not lacking imagination, all have a common denominator. It is virtually impossible to plug an add-on card into the GPIO expansion header. Introducing the SmartFan, the most elegant, compact, and inexpensive cooling solution for your Raspberry Pi. The SmartFan has the form factor of the Raspberry Pi Hat, its own tiny 32-bit processor, receives commands from Raspberry Pi through the I2C interface. A step-up power supply converts the 5 volts provided by Raspberry Pi to 12 volts, ensuring precise speed control. Using pulse width modulation, it powers the fan just enough to maintain a constant temperature of the Raspberry Pi processor. Drawing less than 100 milliamps from the 5-volt supply, the SmartFan is whisper quiet. It preserves all the GPIO pins, allowing any number of cards to be stacked on top of Raspberry Pi. If another add-on card has to dissipate power, a secondary SmartFan can be added to the stack. The SmartFan can be controlled from any program using simple command line or Python functions. A Node-RED interface lets you set and monitor the temperature from the browser. The software can maintain the temperature history in a log file, which can be plotted in Excel. Together with multiple add-on cards, the SmartFan can be installed on the DIN Rail for sturdy industrial applications. Get yours today and keep your Raspberry Pi cool.